My name is Juvenal. I have been working at SEED Madagascar for 5 years, and now I have a responsibility for coordinator project for 2 years. I'm championing honeybees in SEED in Big 5 aping. Beekeeping is important because it's reduced for the deforestation and helping for the planted forestation ground and food and also medicine. Seed sport for the beekeeping about the training, about the materials, and help them about the livelihood for them. In addition to above, honey can turn into wax and pollen. Renitantly and help us grow beekeeping as a livelihood in 2021.